Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel Kulvinder Computer Solution. Today in this video I will show you how to install macOS Catalina on Dell Inspiron 2350 model. So let's see the specification. So this model system information is the Intel Core i7 4th generation and the memory is 12 gigabytes and the speed is 1600 megahertz. So network is Wi-Fi plus real-time Ethernet LAN along with the Bluetooth. So video, there is Intel HD graphics 4600 along with the AMD Radeon with the shared memory of 2 GB, which is DDR5. And there is audio into high definition, and the storage I'm going to use mSata card of 32 GB, and there are some other components, camera and the communication ports, USB network, and some of the additional information. So let's start to the installation. Okay, we have to download these two files. The first one Niresh-Hackintosh, second Transmac. So once you download this both and install the Transmac, run as administrator. So once you have run as an administrator, plug in your USB flash disk. So, and after just right click and restore the disk image. So now here just select your Niresh-Hackintosh Catalina and open the file. So make sure you have backed up because it will format your flash drive before using. So once it's restored complete, just close and go to your Dell Inspiron. Just power on and keep pressing the F12 button to get into the BIOS setup. So once you reach in the BIOS, just select the BIOS setup by choosing arrow keys on the keyboards. So after reaching into the BIOS, there you can see that my SATA SSD, which is 32 GB. And after that, go to the advanced and select the onboard device configuration by using keyboard arrow keys. Change the SATA mode to the EHCI. Okay, so now no need to change in the boot order, you just disable the secure boot mode. So once you disable secure boot control, so it will allow you to the boot from the USB flash drive. There you can see my USB flash drive is there. So after this, save the changes and restart by pressing yes. And again keep pressing F12 to go into the boot mode. Select the UEFI ASMT 2115 by using arrow keys of the keyboard and press the enter. You can see the Hackintosh zone is there and it will boot automatically that from the default drive of the USB. Okay, press continue and again continue and choose the agree button. So from now we have to go to the first disk utility. Okay, there you can see your internal drive is untitled. Just select that and go to the errors. So here we have to format this drive under APA format system. Just select APFS and erased. So once it's done, just close this window, and now select that drive which we have format and continue. From now here it will take few minutes for the installation. So we have successfully installed. Select your country, continue, and select your keyboard language. And if you want to continue with the network, you can select your network. Select continue again, and I will choose here not to transfer any information from other Macs. Just continue, and accept the terms and condition by using agree button, and create a new computer account for your new macOS Catalina. So after creating an account, your Mac will be ready to use on Dell Inspiron. There you can see the about macOS Catalina, about the details and the memories, storage, everything is working fine. And there are some drivers are missing. The Wi-Fi is not working, Bluetooth is not working. So I will make second part of this